What's good, everyone? Back at it again. What I got for y'all today, a little review here on this. It's an LED light strip. It's for the back of your TV, as you can see. And the brand of this here is Vilsom. Hopefully I said that right, V-I-L-S-O-M. And I ended up buying this on Amazon for $7.99. I think the price is a little more right now. I bought it on sale. It's like $11, $12 right now. Posted up over here. Basically, I always thought LED lights on the back of your TV was cool since it came out with, I think, the Sony Bravia. Sony Bravia was the first TV, I think, that came out with the LEDs on the back of the TV. Bought this one because it does have an app. The lights does go with the music, and you can change the colors from the app. So basically, you know, if you're watching a movie or something, or you're playing music, the lights will go with the movie or the music. So that's pretty cool. That's one of the reasons I bought it here. This exact one here is for TV between 32 inches and 60 inches. It does show you on the back here how to place the LED lights for the size of your TV. And mine is going to be this one over here. So that's how I'll be placing it. And basically, it is 31 cents per year for the cost. It does have 16 single colors here for flash modes. I'm going to show you the app, and I'll show you how to install this in a little bit. As you can see, you still got a little sunlight there, so I do want it completely dark so you can see how it looks. So basically, let's open this up here, see what we got going on. You got your LEDs here. You got your roll. You got your USB cable. It goes into the USB on the TV. It's like your little power connector. And you do actually have a remote as well here, it seems. Yep, you got your remote with the colors on it. And you have your installation guide. So let's check out what we got for the installation. Let me just show y'all that real quick. So basically, mark the installation places on the buckle, remove the adhesive, stick it to the TV. The snap opening is facing the upside, and then the buckle's installed into it. Make sure the TV surface is clean, of course. The adhesive won't stick. So yeah, basically, let's install this and hit that like button if you like this video, and subscribe. Check out my channel. There's other videos out there that I do have that you may find interesting. Subscribers always help. Please subscribe. Thank you. Let's get started. So I got the LEDs temporarily set up here. What I basically did was that I stuck it on with some masking tape just to get the exact measurements that I wanted. I measured the length of the TV, divided in half. This is the middle of the TV, and I just took 5 inches from each side, and that's where I lined up my cables. I did want some on the bottom because I wanted to reflect off the TV stand. It might look nice. And basically, I did place the clips here. They said place the clips and wait 10 minutes for it to adhere to the back of the TV. The clips usually is going to help out with holding the LEDs in place because of I think it's a 3M tape they do have on the back of it, but it might not hold depending on how hot your TV gets. So what you can do, you can buy extra clips to hold the TV in place. And these ones that I have here is kind of weird because they use zip ties. As you can see, there's like a little slot on it. And you just place it on the back of your TV, zip tie the cables in if it's not holding properly. They have different kind of clips, regular ones just like these. They also do have L-shaped connectors here, which can make it flat, flush with your TV, because on these here, they don't give you the connectors where you have to cut. You just have to fold the wire over in the corners. So they do have the connectors on Amazon. You could just cut this here and splice it in. But for my purposes here, I'm not doing that. So let me show you the app real quick, and I'm gonna put it on and show you that.